You want a puppy to love, a new best friend from above. You want a puppy to love, a new best friend from above. You want a puppy to love when you're sad and you're feeling lonely and you don't know what to do. There's a new best friend on the way from Pocketville just to meet you. Some puppy love to be there by your side and be with you night and day. The truest friend that you will ever know is only a wish away. Find a friend forever in Pocketville and believe in a puppy love story. No more tears in your eyes, no way. You got a new friend, it's a brand new day. You want a puppy to love, a new best friend from above. You want a puppy to love, a new best friend from above. You want a puppy to love.
I'll have the spaghetti.
Okay, I'll have the spaghetti too. And can I please have the same for my puppy?
Got it. 3 spaghetti. It'll be 10 minutes.
I'll go wash my hands before lunch gets here.
Wait a second. What is it?
That girl is hungrier than I am.
Go easy with the desserts, Molly love.
I didn't order anything else.
That's the point. You need more variety, a healthier diet.
You'll get a stomachache eating like that.
Your father is right, sweetheart. We worry about you.
I know, but I can't help it if I only like sweet things like cakes and ice cream.
Did you see that?
That girl really needs a pet. We have to get to Pocketville.
Uh-oh.
Leave it to me.
Spaghetti for 3.
Thanks.
Bon appetit.
I'm starving.
Dad, could we have them put this in a doggy bag?
Well, okay.
Then we could rent a film or watch TV.
Well, if that's what you want.
Ready to go?
Can we at least finish our spaghetti? I'm really starving, and you've hardly eaten a thing.
We'll eat later. I'm worried about Molly. We need to find her a pet, quickly.
You're just like Princess Ava. Nothing mattered more to her than seeing friends together.
We'll find Ava soon. Come on now, we have to go. My puppy and I together forever, that's all I want.
Katie and I together forever. That's all I want.
Eva!
What is it? Can't you see I'm gathering weeds for my potions?
To get the friendship heart back?
Well, the other half. You already have half.
I don't need reminding.
Well, it's just that
Look! There's something you have to see!
How dare you wear my jewel?
I was only bringing it to you. Here!
Well, don't do it again. I know this hamster. She's a chef. Oh, I have a plan cooking that really could finally take care of Kate and her flea-infested puppy.
what sort of plan?
Start slicing this lot.
Okay, let's tell the Royal Guards we're here. Nothing's happening.
The Pocketpedia has been strange lately.
Princess Ava is the only one who can make it work properly.
I really miss her.
I'm so sorry we haven't been able to find her yet. Oh, Danny isn't blaming you, Kate.
He's just talking without thinking first.
But I was only saying.
We know you're both doing all you can to find our princess.
And you're both doing a wonderful job here helping children to find the right pets.
Yeah, and Katie didn't eat anything today, just to help us here.
You didn't eat? I have to eat 8 times a day. 2 breakfasts, 2 lunches and 2 dinners.
That's 6 meals, Danny.
Don't forget me 2 snacks.
And you say I eat a lot.
Actually, I am a little hungry.
Look at the Pocketpedia.
Maybe now we'll have our answer.
That's the Bear Inn.
Huh? What does it mean?
Maybe the book is trying to tell us to go to the inn to solve the mystery.
We could always eat as well.
Welcome to my inn. What can I get you? Today we have Pocketville lasagna, pizza and salad.
Two of everything.
For me, too.
Danny, Magic, you know we're not here to eat.
Oh, really? Then how can I help?
We're looking for a special friend for a hungry little girl, and the Pocketpedia sent us here. What's that smell?
Oh, heavenly.
Chocolate. Definitely layers of chocolate.
Well, this time your nose is wrong. Goldie, come on out.
Can I help?
Goldie is my fabulous chef.
So what is that lovely smell?
A mix of fruit and vegetables.
Huh?
Really?
I'm sorry?
It's just that it smells so good. We thought it was a chocolatey dessert.
I assure you that fruit and vegetables can be just as tasty as cakes and ice cream. I know, but I can't help it if I only like sweet things like cakes and ice cream.
You are just the friend we're looking for.
Oh, who, me?
Yes. We know a girl called Molly who only likes to eat sweets. You're just the one to show her that healthy foods can be just as delicious.
Yippee! That sounds wonderful! Can I go?
Of course, of course.
You're not going to close the inn?
Don't worry, I'll find someone else. And I can cook pretty well myself, you know.
Then we're agreed.
Thank you! I shall cook my special soup for everyone in Pocketville to celebrate my good luck!
Hooray!
I hate to ruin the moment, but we still need a magic drop to help Goldie in the friendship ceremony.
Huh? Right
What,
now?
If we hurry up, we can be back in time for lunch. Let's get started.
Perfect! A half hour to boil. I'll prepare the tables while I'm waiting. All clear.
Come on.
You weigh a ton.
Quick, the basket! With my ingredients from the Evergrey Swamp, Goldie's soup will be unforgettable.
Thank goodness we found the magic drop.
Yes, I don't think we could have made Danny miss his lunch.
Before we begin, a special thank you to Goldie, who has prepared this wonderful soup. And we should all wish her a happy future in the big city with her new friend.
Well, thank you all for coming to say goodbye. So, bon appetit!
Hooray! Let's eat! The best soup I've ever had.
Goldie is a superb chef. I'm sure she'll help Molly eat fewer sweets.
Let's take a little nap.
Oh, my.
They're all asleep. Huh?
Of course, my herbs have worked. My plan is working. Now nothing can stop you from getting the bracelet. At last, I finally have the two halves of the friendship heart. The throne and everything in Pocketville will be mine.
Where does she come from?
She's not sleeping like the others.
That's because great chefs never eat their own meals, you fools! You didn't eat the soup? No, I tasted it just before you added your sleepy herbs. So God, get her! You'll never get me while I'm in here! You can't stay in there forever! Not forever, only until my friends wake up. Oh, she's right! They'll soon be awake! Come on, you fools! Get her out of there!
Yes, Eva. We can't get to her.
This is intolerable! I'm so close to the jewel! Huh? The royal guards are waking up! We have to get out of here! Oh, we have no choice, but I will be back, and I will get the other half of the friendship heart!
What happened? Huh? The bracelet?
Don't worry, everything is fine now.
You want a puppy to love, a new best friend from above. You want a puppy to love, a new best friend from above. You want a puppy to love. When you're sad and you're feeling lonely, you don't know what to do. There's a new best friend on the way from Pocketville.
Let the friendship ceremony begin!
We love to be there by your side and be with you night and day.
Let the spirit of the friendship heart light the way to the magic fountain!
Find a friend forever in Pocketville and believe in a puppy love story. No more tears in your eyes, no way. You got a new friend, it's a brand new day. When you wake up bright and early, sure to get a surprise. A playful friend.
Hey, what are you doing here? You want me to follow you?
Someone to follow you wherever you go and never you astray.
Hey, my apples!
Larpay, don't worry. Oh, I'll have one too, just like the hamster's eating.
Sure. There you go.
It's delicious! I never would have thought a fruit could taste better than a cake.
You got a new friend, it's a brand new.
Well done, Goldie!
Another successful friendship ceremony.
Job done.
Well, half of it.
What do you mean?
We need to go back to the city and continue looking for the princess.
Oh, where am I? I feel dizzy. I have to eat to get my strength back. These look a bit stale, but they're better than nothing.
Stop!
Oh,
They'll make you sick. Are you sure you're okay on your own?
I'm fine. Oh.
Oh,